Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you the 5 top reasons why you should pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into that video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why you should pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I did the 5 top reasons why you shouldn't get it. So this one, I want to give y'all some reasons why I think you should pick up the Z Fold 4. I've been using it, for almost a month now. So I'm going to go over it. Let's get to it. Let's keep it moving. Again, if you have any other reasons why you think you should pick it up, or if you picked it up already, let me know in the comments. I love having a discussion with everyone that leaves one. So definitely let's have a friendly discussion in the comment. The number one reason, or the first reason on my list, is if you have the Z Fold OG or the Fold 2, it's time to upgrade. There's no way someone can tell you that this is not an upgrade from the Fold 2 or the OG Fold. You're definitely gonna get best cameras, you're gonna get better battery life, you have the latest Snapdragon chip in here, the hinge is better, the overall design is better. So if you're coming from the 2 or 1, if you've been thinking about should you upgrade, yes, you should upgrade. Go for it, pull the trigger, don't hesitate anymore. The second reason is if you like big phones and you want to get the most out of your screen and the most out of your phone, this is a 7.6 inch screen and a 6.2 inch screen. Yes, it's still a little narrow in the front, but when you open this, look at that. And yes, it's a big phone. It's kind of heavy, even though they shaved off some of the weight. It is still a big phone, and if you like that, if you want to, have the best of the best, the big display out there, then this is the phone you should be getting. It's basically a small tablet in your pocket that folds up to be a phone. And that's what it is. I don't know if you agree or disagree. If you like big phones, you should definitely pick it up. The third reason you should pick this up is just because performance-wise. You're getting the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Also 12 gigs of RAM. You can get 512 gigs of storage. They still giving you an upgrade for free on Samsung's website, or I think you pay $100, or you can get 256, which is still not bad. Also for gaming on here, it's a beast. The 12 gigs of RAM, you're never gonna run out of RAM. The phone does not hesitate. It does not slow down. It does not do anything. It performs the way you think it will perform. Battery life has been good too. The 4400 milliamp hour battery has been good with the chipset. So the performance on here is another reason why you should pick up this beast of a phone. Number 4 is almost with the performance, but multitasking on here. If you run a business, if you need to do multitasking, maybe like Excel sheets, maybe you want decks, you can hook this up to a monitor, get a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and you can run decks on here. But just the multitasking on here is great. Simple like that. I have 3 apps already gone. Just like that, it's all down here. If I want to bring up Chrome, I can definitely do so. If I want to bring up messaging, if I want to go back to YouTube. So multitasking, running a business out of here with decks on here. Even you can hook it up to your laptop and get text and stuff through that. And if you have the Tab S8, makes it even more convenient for you. But just using the phone as it is with the software, with Android 12L, it's a no-brainer too. With the 12 gigs of RAM and the Snapdragon, everything adds up. So that was number 4. The last reason, number 5, is, I also said this on the other one, is the price. If you have a trade-in, if you have the Galaxy S22 Ultra that you want to trade in, if you have any other phones, you can check out the website. They're not as good as when you was pre-ordering it, but you can still get this phone for about $700 to $800. So basically you're getting the future $800 instead of $1,800, which is still a great deal. You can, I think you still even get credits on it. So there are still great deals out there with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 that you can still get and pick up. Let me give you a little bonus one too. The cameras on here are well improved. It hangs with my S22 Ultra. I don't care what y'all say. So if you want some of the best cameras that Samsung has right now in this outfit, in this folding phone technology wise, then this is the phone you need to pick up because the cameras are good. And then the software that you have here, you can do so many different things on here. 4K at 60, 8K, you can do director's cut. You have bokeh video on here, portrait video, rear and front cameras. You have the front camera that can do 4K 60 video. So that's a little bonus in there. Number 6 is the cameras and everything else. So if you are hesitating to pick up this phone, go pull the trigger. I don't think you will be very disappointed in your choice. Now, y'all let me know what y'all think about those 6 reasons. Do you think I make sense? Do y'all agree or disagree? Do you pick up the phone and return it? Let me know in the comments. Are you loving it? Or are you hating it? Like I said, I love having that discussion in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.